It is time to wire this up. Make it look nice and neat. I don't know how I'm going to make it look nice and neat because the wires are extra long. I'm gonna have to eventually trim them after I connect everything, make sure everything works good. So enjoy the time lapse because this is gonna take a while. That's about it. Let's get to it. One of the harnesses has a wire that has a positive fuel pump wired to it. So what I did is I routed it all to the back. Now let's connect it. Fuel pump positive, just like it says, right to here. Quick trip to Summit Racing. Got a few little goodies, a few adapters to make everything look nice over there. Also picked up a pressure gauge. Sniper has 3 fuel inlet options. You got this one in the back, you got this one in the front, and you got this one in the front as well. But the main thing for me is to route my fuel line correctly and not use up as much. Here's my dash 6 nail. Take this and put it on the other side. So I got my inlet and I got my outlet all on one side. Everything's gonna be all nice and neat. And let's connect all of that up now. Routed a full new return line with a fitting, goes directly to the throttle body, and this end goes directly all the way to the tank. Perfect. Now I have my inlet routed all the way to the throttle body. I have my outlet routed all the way back to the tank. Let's move on to the next one.